This is another building, and you can see the stucco here is pulling away, and behind here you can see the substrate, and it's almost like a particle board. You can see here, this is the actual substrate here. So this is the wall covering, and as you can see, it's this wouldn't do good with moisture at all. I mean, this is worse than OSB board. It does have like a felt paper, it's kind of covered with it. It's almost like it was manufactured with it. I'm really not familiar with this product. It was something from the 1970s that I don't think they use anymore. But you know, if you get water penetration in the stucco, that wood's gonna really get it's gonna swell up, and I can see a lot of bulging stucco here. You definitely have some stucco issues that need to be addressed. All right, signing off.